Hi, it's me Nazar, welcoming you in my next motivational inspirational video on my YouTube channel, which is Advices by Nazar. So our today's topic is fight for yourself. Let's begin this topic by this quote of Prophet Muhammad that emphasizes determination and perseverance. Strong is not the one who overcomes people by his strength, but strong is the one who controls himself while in anger. While this hadith focuses on self-control, it indirectly highlights the importance of inner strength and the ability to overcome challenges, which aligns with the idea of fighting for oneself. Fighting for yourself is crucial for personal growth and well-being. It involves self-advocacy, self-care, and self-confidence. Self-advocacy. Stand up for your needs and desires. Don't be afraid to voice your opinions, set boundaries, and assert your rights. It's essential to communicate clearly and assertively. Self-care. Prioritize self-care practices such as regular exercise, healthy eating, sufficient sleep, and relaxation. Taking care of your physical and mental health is the foundation for fighting for yourself effectively. Self-confidence. Believe in your abilities and value. Confidence is a powerful tool for self-advocacy. Work on building your self-esteem through positive self-talk and celebrating your achievements. Goal setting. Define your goals and aspirations. Create a clear roadmap for what you want to achieve, both in the short term and long term. Having a direction can motivate you to fight for your dreams. Resilience. Understand that setbacks and obstacles are a part of life. Develop resilience by learning from failures and using them as stepping stones to future successes. Continuous learning. Invest in your personal and professional development. Acquiring new skills and knowledge can boost your confidence and make you more effective in advocating for yourself. Networking. Build a strong support system. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and your goals. Networking can open up opportunities and provide valuable guidance. Now please go and subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share also, and hit the bell icon for more videos. My channel is Advices by Nazar. Positive mindset. Cultivate a positive mindset. Focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. A positive outlook can help you navigate challenges more effectively. Time management. Efficiently manage your time and prioritize tasks. Being organized can reduce stress and increase your capacity to pursue your goals. Adaptability. Be open to change and adapt to new circumstances. Flexibility is key in the journey of fighting for yourself as life is constantly evolving. Remember, fighting for yourself is an ongoing process, and it's essential to stay committed to your personal growth and well-being. Your journey is unique, and you have the power to shape your life according to your aspirations and values. Now there are more tips for effectively fighting for yourself. Self-reflection. Regularly take time to reflect on your values, passions, and what truly matters to you. This self-awareness can guide your decisions and actions in a way that aligns with your authentic self. Emotional intelligence. Develop emotional intelligence by understanding and managing your emotions. This skill helps you navigate difficult situations, resolve conflicts, and build better relationships with others. Mentorship. Seek out mentors or role models who have achieved what you aspire to. Learning from their experiences and insights can provide valuable guidance on your journey. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Recognizing your progress can boost your motivation and self-esteem. Mindfulness and stress management. Practice mindfulness and stress management techniques such as meditation or deep breathing exercises. These practices can help you stay calm and focused during your challenging times. Fighting for yourself is about building a fulfilling and meaningful life that aligns with your goals and values. By incorporating these additional strategies into your journey, you'll be better equipped to overcome obstacles and achieve your desired outcomes. Here's a piece of advice for effectively fighting for yourself. Stay persistent and resilient. In your journey to fight for yourself and your goals, you will encounter setbacks, challenges, and moments of self-doubt. It's essential to remain persistent and resilient. Don't give up easily when facing obstacles. Instead, view setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. Stay committed to your vision. And remember that success often requires perseverance. Your determination and resilience will be your greatest assets on the path to self-fulfillment and achievement. So this was our topic, which was fight for yourself. So please motivate yourself and fight for yourself as I am fighting for myself, as I hope I will keep fighting for myself, and you also hope for fighting yourself, your dreams. And strong is not the one who overcomes people by his strength, but strong is the one who controls himself while in anger. Please, looking forward to this